Hello student, this is social science class and this is political science chapter number 6. In chapter number 4 you read various things and I am skipping chapter number 5 because this will be assessed as in your periodic test. So here I am taking 6th chapter of political science. In this chapter you will be reading about the nature and working of political parties, especially in our country. And why do we need political parties, what is the need of these parties, and how many parties are here in India, and what kind of party are good for democracy. So various questions are here that will be sorted out through this chapter. So that the first topic of your chapter is why do we need political parties. So children, as you know that India is a democratic country, and here we see not only one party system, while India has a multi-party system. So first question is this: why do we need political parties? Political parties are easily one of the most visible institution in democracy, which help in forming the government and to bring change. For most ordinary citizens, democracy is equal in political parties. If you travel to remote parts of the country and speak to the less educated citizens, you could come across people who may not know anything about the constitution. It's a very simple thing. If we move towards rural areas, many people are there who do not know about constitution. They do not know about political party. They do not know the nature of the government. But chances are that they would know something about our political parties to whom they have casted their vote. So it's very possible there are chances that they would know political parties to whom they have casted their vote. How? You know that there are some political symbols in these political parties, so they can easily identify political parties by their symbols. So it's very possible they have chances they would know about the political parties to whom they have casted their votes. At the same time, this visibly does not mean popularity. Most people tend to be very critical of political parties. They tend to blame parties for all that is wrong with our democracy and our political life. Parties have become identified with social and political divisions. It means this कि whatever is fair or unfair in the political system, people usually blame to political parties. Therefore, it is natural to ask, do we need political parties at all? Since people blame to political parties for their wrong decision, for their unfair policy making, then what is the need of political parties? So it's a natural question to ask, do we need political parties at all? About hundreds years ago, there were few countries of the world that had any political party. But now, what do we see? We see that there are few that do not have parties. Only few countries are there, especially Gulf countries. Those do not have parties since the monarchy is there. So nowadays most of the countries are adopting democracy. So since democracy they are adopting, so political party are soul of democratic government. So there are many countries nowadays they are adopting political parties too. So it's a general question, why do we need political party? Why do we need a political party? What is the need of political party? We can see that political parties are one of the most visible institution. How? They are most visible institution. How visible? When representative come across your area, or you can directly ask him or her, you can raise your question, in this way, so it's a visible form. Political party is a visible form. It is also necessary to participate in politics. Many people are there who are keenly interested to participate in politics. So these political parties are needed because they provide massively simplifying heuristic which allow people to make informed choices. It includes debate, discussion, etc. So many people are there who wants to participate in politics, and since political parties are there, then the work becomes easy to them. Next is political parties perform a variety of functions. Political parties perform a variety of functions in the smooth working of country. Many things are done through political parties regarding development, policies, planning, rules making, everything. They all are done by political parties, so perform a variety of functions. So this is also a kind of need of political party. Different political parties compete to powers. They have competition among those to come in power, to exercise powers. So this spirit of competition makes some fair things for the people. Everybody wants to do better work than other. They also put forward their policies and programs. They also put their policies and programs for the welfare of people through manifesto what they are going to do. Besides this, political parties are also involved in the process of decision making. So decision making, they also get involved in the decision making. In this way, we can see political parties perform a crucial role in the politics of any country. Since most of the members of the legislature belong to different parties, they tend to influence decision making also. In this way, decision making also an important factor that make it important. After this, there is meaning. What is meaning of political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a views to promote the collective good. In this way, a political party is an organized group of people. What kind of group? An organized people, right? Organized group of people who have the same ideology and who field candidate for election in an attempt to get them elected and thereby implement the party agenda. Since there can be different views on what is good for all, parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than other. They seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through elections. So this is a very crucial role of political parties, and here we come to know about meaning of political parties. And next topic of this chapter is component. What are the component of political parties? They are leader, the active members and the followers. That we will be covering tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.